In an age where modern medicine reigns supreme, it's easy to forget that bizarre natural treatments have been used for centuries. These unorthodox methods often don't make the cut in mainstream medicine, but carry a trove of intriguing anecdotes and cautionary tales. Today, we'll delve into three such natural treatments that are, perhaps, shrouded in mystery and skepticism. Let us begin our exploration with maggot therapy, a practice with a history dating back to ancient civilizations. It might sound unsettling, but maggots have been used to clean wounds and promote healing. These larvae, specifically of the green bottlefly, are placed on necrotic tissue, where they secrete enzymes that liquefy dead tissue, which they then ingest. This not only cleans the wound, but also promotes faster healing. While modern medicine has developed antibiotics and surgical procedures that render maggot therapy less common, its effectiveness in certain scenarios remains undeniable. Despite its bizarre nature, this treatment is approved by the FDA for certain wound treatments, highlighting its validity amidst unusual origins. Next, we venture into the realms of apitherapy, which utilizes bee venom for its purported health benefits. This treatment involves the application of live bee stings or bee venom injections to treat conditions like arthritis and multiple sclerosis. The theory behind apitherapy is that the venom contains compounds such as melittin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. While some individuals claim remarkable relief, the treatment is not without its risks. Severe allergic reactions can occur, and comprehensive scientific backing is sparse, leading many medical professionals to approach it with caution. Despite the skepticism, apitherapy's continued use suggests that, for some, the potential benefits outweigh the risks. Finally, let's explore urine therapy, a practice that has surprisingly stood the test of time. Used in various cultures for its supposed healing properties, urine is believed by proponents to contain vital nutrients and antibodies. People who practice urine therapy may drink it, gargle it, or apply it topically, claiming it treats everything from infections to skin conditions. It's important to note, however, that scientific evidence supporting these benefits is largely absent, and the medical community remains skeptical due to the potential presence of toxins and metabolic waste. Despite this, urine therapy's persistence as an alternative treatment highlights the lengths to which individuals may go when modern medicine does not provide satisfactory solutions. In conclusion, while these strange and unconventional natural treatments might provoke skepticism, they serve as a reminder of the diverse approaches to healing that exist outside conventional medicine. Whether driven by desperation, curiosity, or historical significance, such treatments challenge our understanding of healing and wellness. As we continue to advance in medical science, it remains crucial to approach alternative treatments with an open mind, critical thinking, and an acknowledgement of both ancient wisdom and modern evidence. Although these bizarre practices may not feature prominently in contemporary medical handbooks, their stories and the questions they raise contribute to the ever-evolving narrative of human health and ingenuity.